Hi, Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're another dry rot structural repair job. This happens to be in San Francisco. We had a leaking window frame here, and you can see what it's done is it has rotted out the entire frame of the window, and also I'll give you a better look. It's rotted out the whole cripple framing below the window. This is very common because obviously the water works its way down. So all of this needs to be broken out, reframed, damage in the subfloor inside, and also some of the floor joists. So all of that's being worked on. There's also been substantial leakage all around the door garage frame here. And I'll let you take a look at what's happened here. I'll step over this stuff. This is a pile of all the dry rotted wood and garbage, but on the inside the walls had to be basically reframed. You can see all the new wood in here. We had to put in a new header that was rotted out on the backside of the garage door. So water's been leaking into these walls for a long time, and of course water's the big nasty enemy, and not taken care of, you end up with the damage that you have here. So it takes a kind of a multitude of skills to kind of pull all this stuff apart and put it back together again. And Golden Gate Enterprises specializes in this type of work. There's stucco work involved, there's structural work involved, there's electrical, there's plumbing that needs to be moved, there's flashing and waterproofing around a window. It's just a lot of different pieces that come together, and it's very hard to find a company that's got the expertise to kind of make all this happen. So this is Paul Gordon with Golden Gate Enterprises, and you can find us at bayareacontractor.com. Give us a call if we can help you out with your project, and we handle plans, permits, and engineering. Thank you.